Hello friends. At times you may notice a low flow rate or a low filling time of the transparent chamber. No need to panic. This is an indication that your filters need cleaning. To get clean, safe and odorless drinking water, we have to follow this very simple procedure.
First, remove the top lid. Clean it under tap water and leave it to dip dry. Then take out the sediment filter from the top cover. Now wash the sediment filter under clean running water to remove the dirt by gently rubbing its surface with your hands. Do not twist the filter. Avoid using any kind of sharp or abrasive material to clean the filter to prevent damage. Then remove the top cover. Clean it under running water and leave it to dip dry. Remove the top chamber and follow the same procedure. Next, with the help of a cutter, remove these tapes. Then lightly pull the germ kill life indicator cover upwards and remove it from the purifier. Then rotate the germ kill processor in the anti-clockwise direction and keep it aside in a clean and safe place. Next, lift the cleansing collection chamber and empty the water, if any, from it. Now sanitize your hands thoroughly. Then remove the microcharged membrane assembly by rotating it in the anti-clockwise direction and keep it aside in a clean place. Similarly, remove the advanced microfiber mesh. Inside this mesh is the carbon polisher. Remove it by rotating it in an anti-clockwise direction. Then wash it under running water and gently rub its surface with your hands. Avoid using any scrubber or sharp material to prevent damage. Follow the same procedure for the advanced microfiber mesh. Now, fill Pureit water in the bellow pump. Then insert the bellow pump into the nozzle at the bottom of the carbon polisher. Now, close the mouth of the carbon block with one hand and squeeze the bellow pump with the other hand to force the water through the carbon block. You will see dirt coming out of the carbon block. Repeat this procedure 5 to 6 times. Next, clean the cleansing collection chamber with tap water. Then, put back the advanced microfiber mesh assembly in the cleansing collection chamber by turning it in the clockwise direction and make sure it's fixed tightly. Similarly, put the carbon polisher back in its position and lock it.
In case the quality of your water is very bad and the flow rate does not improve on cleaning the advanced microfiber mesh and carbon polisher, you need to clean the microcharged membrane. Let me show you how.
Before cleaning the microcharged membrane, sanitize your hands thoroughly. Then, fill Pureit water in the bellow pump. Insert the bellow pump into the nozzle provided at the bottom of the microcharged membrane assembly. Then squeeze the bellow pump to force water out of the assembly. You can see dirt being dislodged from the membrane.
Repeat this procedure 5 to 6 times. After this is done,
insert the microcharged membrane assembly at the base of the cleansing collection chamber in the clockwise direction and make sure it's fixed tightly. Now, wash the transparent chamber with clean Pureit water and place it on the pedestal. Then place the cleansing collection chamber on the transparent chamber. Insert the germ kill processor and turn it in the clockwise direction and fix it tightly. Now, place the germ kill life indicator cover in the grooves provided on the cleansing collection chamber and push it downwards to fit. Then place the top chamber on the cleansing collection chamber, followed by the top cover. And then finally, the sediment filter.
Now to flush the device, pour water till the top of the top chamber.
Once the top chamber is full, place the lid on the top cover. And then drain out all the water that collects in the transparent chamber.
Repeat this process again one more time and flush out the water completely. And after this, the water is safe and ready to use for consumption. Wasn't that really quick and easy? With Pureit Advanced, you can be rest assured that every drop of water you drink is safe.